This is my cat, Silva. She enters and leaves my house through a small window leaf, whenever she likes. But Silva has a lot of cat friends, who also can use the window leaf to enter the house, where they misbehave and let their stinky marks. To prevent their unauthorized access and to keep veranda warm in winter, I have made a cat access device. It uses RFID technology to provide an access only to Silva. It consists of several parts. RFID label equipped collar on the neck of the cat. I used a regular wristband RFID tag. A long-range RFID reader. Regular reader won't work well because the cat won't come that close to the window. The reader is connected to microcontroller module. The microcontroller module controls the car wind wiper motor used to open or close the window leaf. An infrared motion sensor is installed indoors to monitor cat entering the house. The device is also equipped with several end switches to set window open close positions and to prevent cat jamming by a window leaf. How does it work? When Silva, wearing an RFID collar, walks to the window, an RFID tag is getting scanned by a long-range reader. The microcontroller module receives an RFID, validates it. It can remember up to 25 different RFIDs. Then it activates the motor, which opens the window leaf and lets the cat in. While infrared sensor senses motion, the device won't start closing the window leaf. After the cat has left the window leaf area, the device waits a couple of seconds and then activates the motor to close the window. Other cats, who don't have an RFID collar, won't get in. Let's see how it works in real life. Cat can go in and can go out. It took only a couple of days for Silva to get familiar with this device, and I don't worry about other cats' intrusion anymore.